This song was made popular by the group AMA. It's called Sei Oriana. Sei Oriana, so we use it today as a metaphor for success in reaching out. This is a special flower that grows on the mountain. Hard to get. When you get it, you have to get plenty for the village and your family. So Harry reached out in a different way. His music. Harry plays guitar, he can make that guitar cry. Like George Harrison's song, Guitar Weeps or something like that. It's another metaphor of changes have to be. Okay, I'll try. See you again.
Actually, the reason why I chose the song is an acknowledgement of something that Harry did. That he contributed to music, and it's this funny chord here. That one there, very ugly, and that's what they call this is a very long story, but I'm going to try and make it as short as possible. But in music, you've got everything you want to, or everything to fit in nice and neatly. Everything that sits in there, but if you play this chord against everything, it kind of clashes. Anyway, when I first met Harry, which I only met him about, must have been 2010, I was really excited because I'd found something in music, especially in island music, that was actually quite significant. And the thing that he contributed was the usage of that chord there. And why it's such an ugly chord is because when you play that chord, what it means is that all the other notes and all the scales start to come into the music. So that's why it's quite an important usage of that. Because before in island music it wasn't really used. But when he introduced that was, anyway, I'll try and play it in there so that you can hear the difference in it. But it's actually, he made something that's really quite ugly, very, very beautiful. No, I want this. Is that good?
Sei Oriana.
Pleasure.